How to log in on Bupa account. So if you want to log into your Bupa account, then first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Bupa. Once you've searched, you need to go with www.bupa.com. Once you open up your browser, now you just need simply search the logon button. But if you don't find the logon button right here, then search for Bupa login, which is this one, my.bupa.com. Just click on that and it will take you to the members login section. And here you will have an option to sign in. Just click on sign in. Sign in and login are the same thing. So just click on it and it will take you to the sign in page. So first verify. Once you click on this button, now you need to enter your email address. But if you forgot your email address, you will have forgot email option. You just need to simply click on it and then you will be able to recover your account. Or if you remember, then just enter your email address and then enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, you can go with forgot password and you can either reset or recover your password. But if you remember, just enter your password. Once you enter your password, you need to click on sign in. And after clicking on sign in, if the information or the credentials are correct right here, then you'll be able to sign into your account. And that's it. That's how you can sign in to your Bupa account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.